How to post a thread on Threads by Instagram. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to post your own thread. All you have to do is open the application on your mobile phone, and here you can see at the bottom part of your application you see a lot of icons. All you have to do is to click on the middle icon. That's where you'll be able to create a new thread. So you can type in your thoughts, your ideas, and then you can even add or attach files like your videos and pictures into your thread that you're creating, or you can definitely just add a simple text to it. That's definitely fine here with posting a thread. So once you're done with typing in your idea, you can see here, you can even set who will be able to reply onto your thread here. So you have an option whether people or profiles you follow, your followers, or only the people you've mentioned. Then just click on post, and then in just a matter of minutes, your thread will now be posted into your profile or into your own thread account. So here you have the option to set up who can reply. You can even hide the like count, and you can see that once that's posted, your followers or the people you've mentioned can like, reply, or repost, or quote the thread that you sent or created, and then you can even send it through direct message. And that's basically it. That's how you post a thread here on Threads by Instagram. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.